Hey everyone, welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. My name is Rebecca, and today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree Floral DIY. And I am doing this video as a collaborative challenge with Maria from Artsy Cupcake and Heidi from Happily Thriving Heidi. So I actually made two different Dollar Tree DIY floral arrangements, and I spent a total of $10 on the two of them. So I started out with this galvanized pot for the first one, and I'm really just gonna do a floral centerpiece using these flowers. I chose the colors of yellow, orange, burgundy, and white. Originally, I wasn't going to get the white ones, but I'm actually so glad I did because I feel like the white flowers broke up the orange and red tones so much nicer and made the whole centerpiece a little bit more balanced. I just used wire cutters to split all my florals, and then using the Dollar Tree foam that they sell in the floral section, I just inserted that in the center so I had something to build on and the flowers to stick to. So these little white long flowers were actually my favorite ones that I purchased because I just kind of tucked them into the arrangement, giving it a little bit more dimension, and I kept just kind of adding until I was happy with the end result. So this is the first project that I did. This one was about $7. So I had gone crazy in the Dollar Tree floral section and had bought a ton of flowers, and I had also seen this little wicker wreath which I thought was really cute and I could do something with. So I had brought that home as well, and then decided to use some of my remaining flowers to decorate the wreath. Now, originally I was going to put flowers around the whole thing, but I just felt once I had put a few, less was more. So I cut off all the ends of the flowers once I had placed them where I wanted them and hot glued them in. And then I left the wreath really simple and just kept it really natural and plain. I just thought that this looked better than going all the way around with flowers. So I ended up hanging this one on the door between my kitchen and the kids' playroom, and it's perfect there. It's a small little wreath that has a little pop of color, and it's also really cute and understated. There are two really simple Dollar Tree floral arrangements that you can do. The two of them together cost me about $10, and everything that I used I got from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. Check out Maria and Heidi's channels if you haven't already, and I will also include the playlist of everyone participating in the description box below. Until next time, I will see you guys then.